I'm going to come here in the capillary. Oh. Oh. Gasoline 141B or whatever alternative you possess. Using it there. Oh, do you see that? There's a little bit in the video, folks. What measures can I take to avoid suffering? You need to switch the capillary whenever changing the gas from R600 to R134. I want to tell you some mothers here that I will give you to clean the capillary of the refrigerator or unclog the capillary of your refrigerator and the customer's refrigerator without suffering. I will. Share some secrets? Here's what I learned on this trajectory. Mine is wrong a lot. Until we discovered some secrets that I'm going to pass on to you there, okay? But I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So I'm going to ask you something. Please don't penalize this video or attempt to act like a genius by skipping to the end, or you won't comprehend anything, turning this video into a chaotic mess for you. This video will be thorough, ensuring you understand how to do it. But first, there's something I'd like to give you. Just a few warnings so you won't mess up in the beginning. You should commence with cleaning, all right? All right, folks, shall we? I see a lot of people saying, oh, John, you have to have nitrogen to clean the refrigerator system. I'll be right there. I don't need to tell you, okay? I have this 1.6 compressor here. It's a new compressor, okay? It's installed here on the discharge valve, okay, guys? So he's installed here for him to compress. Then the fluid and the product I'm going to put is a 1.6 compressor. This compressor is new. So the first thing I'm going to give you a tip. Whenever I go to do a cleaning in the system, don't take a weak compressor, take a 1.6 compressor. 105 a quarter, okay? Because he's going to have a lot more. Forced to push the product or flow of refrigerant that was going to enter the system. All right. The second tip I give you guys, don't get a compressor that's spewing oil, okay? So if the compressor is spewing oil, it's going to be a service thrown in the trash. So don't pick up the compressor that's spewing the oil. When you install the sniffed valve here, before installing, turn on the compressor and come here if it is spitting the oil or not. If not, it will contaminate the entire system. So it won't do any good to clean the system with the compressor that's spewing oil, okay? And the third thing, whenever possible, won't you use the undertaker, put the little erasers here, on the side. Always keep the understanding closed for what? To not get moisture inside the system and not contaminate the oil inside the system for you to use next time. So the myth I tell you is that you clean your refrigerator with a compressor. You all clean any refrigerator with a compressor, so there's no need for nitrogen if available. Purchase superior products, congratulations. But for you who are at the beginning, don't have money, don't delude yourself with nitrogen. This will make you earn a lot of money. And if you do it the way I'm talking here, you'll still be a good professional with a compressor. Okay? So, what do I tell you? What will make you a good professional? It's not the tool. It's your ability to set up a system, to do the process right. Understand? So there's no point in having a nitrogen and not knowing how to work here. I'm going to show you here how to do a top service with the compressor, guys. But I want to talk to you here, the cleaning of the system, okay? Oh, here's the thing. Here you can clean in two ways. Can you use this quick hitch here inside the course? Yeah, I'm already preparing the class so we can show how to clean with quick hitch, okay? This quick hitch here is much faster. You know, it's much faster than you weld the class, Schneider, but for you who are starting out, you don't have the money to start. It starts welding Schneider valve. It's hard at first, but it starts welding Schneider valve. Why? Because you ain't got no money, man. It's what get in for you. Then you go with valve Schneider in the lower village, okay? So here we already have the Schneider valve installed in the low line and the high line condenser. Bottom line is from the evaporator, guys. This thicker pipe here, it's the pipe that comes from the evaporator, okay? And the capillary is also part of the bottom line. And what do I want to tell you? So we already have the Chirara valve installed. Good compressor.
USA.
The valves are present here along with chiller in the refrigerator system. What are our next steps? We will proceed to activate our compressor to cleanse the entire system. But first I want to tell you one
thing.
Regarding the capillary and the cleaning of the capillary, people, I see a lot of people suffering. Oh, John, how do you clean the capillary? What's the secret? I take the capillary, it seems that it will not, I throw the product into the system and it seems that it does not, the product does not come out of the capillary and ends up leaving the capillary clogged. Then I'm going to have to change the capillary. It's a lot of work. I'll tell you the truth, I thank God a few times. I had to change my hair.
Because I want to explain.
One thing that maybe you have never heard any channel, and I want you to already subscribe, leave your like and still take advantage of the promotion of our course with 50% discount here. We offer a comprehensive course available online. Find the link just below the description. Take advantage of our exceptional free content. Imagine the quality of our paid offerings.
Join in.
Guys, you realize that a service alone already pays for everything? Is it closed? So here's the thing, people have a hard time. Why? Because the bottom line, the top line is easy, folks. Oh, the pipe is thick. The bottom line, the refrigerator system is difficult because of the capillary. Oh, it's very thin. So what happens ends up obstructing this part of the capillary here. And by obstructing this part of the capillary, it doesn't pass the gas through the filter and it doesn't go up into the freezer in the first place. So this thing of cleaning through the capillary is better, or cleaning here through the return pipe is better, doesn't exist. Take your test. I've always cleaned through the thicker return pipe, never had a problem, so I disagree with that, okay? Bye.
That John, why?
Here's the thing. What will make you unclog the capillary? Here is not where you are going to send here the nitrogen or compressor or gas. It is the product that you are going to throw into the capillary, which will make you soften the dirt. And what happens? You will use product 141B or the product U.
Clean up, okay?
You will play the first time, nothing will come out. An example, nothing came out, just air. Play the second time and play more. Nitrogen pushes more with the compressor, puts more gas. Why?
Why?
When the product enters, it will start to soften the dirt, even if it doesn't pass through immediately.
Hair people.
It will start to soften the dirt here, and softening the dirt will get much easier after you remove it. And clean the capillary through a compressor. So the secret is not that you clean up the first time and get it right. The secret here, friend, is you are the product getting inside the capillary. It doesn't matter if you take it this way or this way. The product has to get inside the capillary to soften all the dirt and to get easier from the pressure to pass. So if you don't get in the
product is useless.
The side here, the secret is the product, which is why a lot of people go there. EE creates a vacuum here through the capillary and throws the product in here to see if the product softens. Guys, so the secret to unclogging the capillary is not how much pressure you will put, it is whether the product will enter the capillary. So it's going to depend on how many times you're going to pass the product, it doesn't matter.
Will it pass?
On 23.
Firstly, let us start with the subject.
Cleaning in the capillary.
Hey guys, let's switch on our compressor. I'm planning to use the relay and the thermal protector inside the fridge, alright? Hence, I won't install either a relay or a thermal protector right now. Let's wait for ours to activate.
Compressor, the 1-to-6 compressor is already excellent for you to clean. It's excellent, so you don't need to have a very large compressor. Absurdly large.
Why though?
A compressor from the center will suffice.
Everything needed, see?
Little compressor, oh storm. There's no oil, there's no oil in. Compressor appears clean, understand?
Oh, this is fantastic. Oh. What am I gonna do? I'll get my mind food.
Films mind food here.
I'm going to use the high part here to clean it up.
Okay guys?
Why can you take more pressure here?
Oh, I definitely will.
Make use of the high section. Afterwards, I'll thoroughly clean the DA part here. Low O of the capillary, which is the most difficult.
Oh, I will.
Leave the capillary here for you.
They will. Oh, product.
Leaving here from the capillary. Oh, I'll leave it here. Oh. Would you change a lid? Placing a cap didn't fit, so I'll lift the hose.
Oh, I'm on my way now.
Let's see if I can secure another lid. Oh, let me try. From here, I teach everything within the course in detail. That's why you have to pay for the course.
Why are you there?
You will have concrete material, not just a small fraction.
No, there you have all the...
Maybe you need support. Could it be you?
Think like this. John 300.
9 cents BRL is.
Is that too much?
Expensive to me? It's expensive for you to stop making money. 397 real you recover in just one service.
Okay, oh.
I'll put it right here, right now.
I put 2 caps on.
What do I do, guys?
Me before?
I use the understanding I put...
A small amount of liquid material, is that all right?
So I like to put in a little bit of fluid, because fluid.
Or 130.
And 4, it is beneficial to apply a bit of force, you know? Oh, I'm going to set my Garraforta down here. I'll carefully place a bit here from the child's perspective.
A little bit. Oh.
I just closed it a little bit. No need to get excited here. There is no point in being happy when it comes to spending gas because it is a loss.
Oh.
I close the clock here.
I let go of the hose. What am I going to do? Am I going to hook up on my nitrogen?
That's my nitrogen.
My nitrogen, oh. Now I'm going to open here and I'm going to come here in the capillary. Oh.
Oh.
Gas walk that won't be, or what do you?
Have it there.
Oh, you see, there's a little bit of the glass, boys.
Here for.
Am I leaving? Fast, but maybe in the capillary.
Aren't you going out?
Then you will have to make this system.
Here. Oh, I'll close here.
Oh, I'll close here. Let's close my case,
He's out.
Oh, you see?
My case came out, but let's assume for a moment. Got a lot?
Cut people. Oh, what?
What you will have to do is repeat the process, so much so.
People can't unclog the capillary because it's too small.
Want to unclog? In the first O.
Product has to reach the capillary to soften the dirt to come out. That's what no one ever told me.
Me and I are talking to you.
But within the entire course, it is complete, and you will learn much easier there.
Do you understand? Then you have to fall for?
Within the course,
You do a job and you get your money back. Oh, you.
wait for all the air to come out, wait for all the air to come out.
Air from inside the hose.
You,
Will you repeat the process, my brother? You're going to repeat the process? Oh, I'm going to burn here. Oh, now the cat is, oh. You see, oh, there's a little air inside the hose. Oh, you see? That's why I say you have to let the air out.
Oh, all right, I'm leaving.
Will you come back here? So if you get air in the hose, gas, and stuff like that, what's going to happen? It's going to start bubbling here, and it's going to start.
get out of here.
All right.
So this system here is an ice system.
I think it's millennial. What do we do? But no matter how you do it to me, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that you do it.
Oh, I will place it on.
Here again. Oh, you're still breathing. Oh, you see you're breathing? So, I'm going to wait a few minutes here until the air comes out of the hose so I can put the product here again. Oh, I've been waiting about 2 minutes. Now let's see if the air is out. Oh, it's starting to go down.
Alone? Hey, you really want to see? Look, he's descending on his own. Now I need to lift up the hose a bit.
A little more. I'll leave it now. I'm going to darken it here. Oh, hi, the hose here.
In your case, if not, I had unclogged.
Here.
You were going to do the same thing and repeat the process.
Oh, that's just the only thing.
With the gas, he'll be out soon. Now I'm going to close the hose here. Now I'm going to push with the...
Oh, I'm going to get the compressor here too.
Finish.
Oh my. Oh.
The system is still dirty, oh. Put it here on the side. Seeing the beginning heat, it starts coming out dirty at first, then begins to clean up.
I'm going to tidy up the company here. Come back here for a moment, guys. Just wait a bit before getting out. You see there? You have to repeat the whole process again
Until you finish cleaning the system. Because when the capillary is clogged, it is full of
oil the refrigerator. It will never generate. Understand? Do you understand? Here. Oh, I know the process won't stay.
Well, guys, aren't you going to be all right when you get here? It's very dirty here.
Guys, let's return to the system for a little more time.
Are you pussy with? Thirsty, huh? I think it went too far, shall we?
See?
I am planning to push here to descend to 141B. Oh, I'm hooked up here now.
I will fetch my hose.
I'm going to put it in the tank here, and I'm going to push it a little bit more. 3 times 3. Sometimes then, the first time the guy is already worried.
What's not? To clog or
Capillary, you have to spend about 3.
4x 5 times if necessary.
Oh my goodness.
You see, I am unable to... You can't see properly because it's so clean, right? Now let's engage here in the discussion. Let's use the converter and then leave.
Let's move to the stage and look at the sheet. Very clean. Guys, I had to go through 3 times.
Oh, that's the reason why I need to explain.
I'll tell you.
You're not worried if the capillary isn't clogged, are you?
Go through once, twice until you get bored.
Use the compressor here and travel far, travel wide.
Spend the liter now, okay?
Let's go together, okay?
Thank you.